Hey everybody, it's Sid here. Welcome back to another Animal Jam video. Today we are going to be looking at the Play Wild update for November. I'm not uploading this till the day after because I already have 2 videos scheduled for today, which is the 3rd, so whatever. T-Rex Super Box. Something big is ready to hatch from this month's Super Box. Go through the portal in the Sapphire shop to take a sneak peek into the T-Rex Super Box. Comes with a T-Rex egg you can hatch into a pet Tyrannosaurus. Once you nurture your pet to level up at Pet Station, you can grow it up. Oh man, I'm probably not going to be able to do that because, well, college, I'll see, but I don't think I'll be able to get one. And T-Rex is one of my favorite dinos. If I do this for the raptor, though, I'm gonna be mad. If you do it for Allosaurus, I'm gonna be mad, though. Autumn coyotes. Oh my god. A new pattern animal. I'm so glad to have this in for a while. Anyways, I'm back, and yeah, so find your fall flora by becoming an autumn coyote. These festive animals have arrived in Jamad just in time for the harvest, and they're ready to make a strut through the leaves. Fall into fashion with the Autumn Coyote bundle. It comes with a new animal, the regal turkey outfit, and the western outfit. That won't be found anywhere else, okay? I am gonna do that. 2 equipped pets. Oh my god, we can have 2 pets now? That's amazing! Oh my god! And then here, want a free super box. Okay, wait. So I can do that because I have a subscription membership. Okay. Hack headlines. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, okay. And then squirrel scamper. Pet wild turkeys. Oh my god, the turkeys! I'm after the camera classic of the show. Autumn fairy. Oh my god, so pretty. Tyrannosaur feathers. Birds evolved from flying dinosaurs, but they were non-flying dinosaurs that were covered in feather-like structures too, like Eutyrannus, a tyrannosaur in the same family as Tyrannosaurus rex. Paleontologists haven't found T-Rex fossils that show evidence of feather structures just yet, but there's a good chance T-Rexes were just as fluffy. I love it. People think like dinosaurs are all scary and stuff, but no, they're friend-shaped. They're so cute. Giant phantom defeated. Okay, is that it? Oh no, there's more. Mystery statue, okay. Oh, I think that's from the last update. Yeah, okay. We remember. Wait. So. Oh, yeah, I need to do that. Okay, I'm kinda confused with the super box. So, like. Giant candy bowl, because I have 500 of them. Cycle. Oh. Okay. Oh, crying emoji has set. Cool. What is this, though? I want a free super box. Okay, but, how often do I do it? Because I don't want to do it just now. Because, is this the one chance, or when my membership renews, will that happen too? I'm really confused. We're not going to do that for now. But we're going to look at Sapphire Shop for some new stuff. We still have a Halloween bundle, jeez. We're going to go look at the super box. We're not going to get it. We're going to look at the super box. Alright. The 3rd one is done. This whole thing is kind of... I don't want to claim the free super box. No, I don't. Okay, so we have that. So it comes with an egg. Okay, good. I was worried because I just saw someone with a pet egg, and I was like, oh, did I get the egg? But no, I didn't. It's just my cat. Okay. We're gonna get to the coyote bundle. Oh, regal turkey tail. I'm gonna be a turkey. so cute. Tails scarf, and I actually do the working outfit. Yeah, everybody, I'm a cowboy. Oh my god, yes, Autumn Coyote, that's so cute. Oh my god, I love it so much. Coyotes are one of my favorite animals in this game. So, we're gonna try on the turkey lurkey. That is adorable. Oh my god, I actually might use that for like an eagle or something, like, or a pet, I don't know. But I want this one. Oh, that is so beautiful. And it comes with tumbleweeds. I'm a cow. And then we have, well, I think this one's dude. Oh my god, it sells a turkey beak. I might keep the turkey mascot because I want it ridiculous. So patterns. Oh my god. You have like the same pattern. I keep on forgetting that because like in classic you don't. You just have to deal with whatever ones they pick for you. Color coordinator. Oh my god, I like that. I like that. And the pattern is going to be pink. Why not? Oh my god, that looks sick. I think that's for the turkey thing, but like even without that, that looks cool. Wait. Color coordinator. Okay, yeah. It says pink, but I don't see any pink on the out. Okay, anyways. Doesn't matter. Looks awesome. I love it. I love it so much. Now we are going to get ourselves a pet turkey lurkey. Okay, I already have a pet turkey. Oh, I don't have a pet turkey. I thought I did. Oh. Okay, we're gonna make it color. Make it that color. Eyes. Like the purple one. I might want to I think I like the customization of a turkey's better on classic, because like you can like change the pattern stuff, whereas on Play Wild it's just colors and it's kind of boring. But I love this turkey. I love my turkey lurkey. It's so cute. All those blue eyes. Oh, that's so cute. The turkey lurkey. I'm gonna do that. Name it pet. Name it Autumn Bird, like I did on a classic. Bird. No, I want the bird. Okay, Sunny Bird's cute, but this is an autumn bird. It's actually a very thankful bird. Turkey's thrown like some lettuce. More intelligent. Male wild turkeys are known as gobblers or toms. Female wild turkeys are called hens, and young wild turkeys are called poults. Now I want to board that's Verde. Now I'm going to update Sid's squad. Is it hideout? I guess we have to go there for that. Okay. Hello. What should I send out to like the 2 people in my squad? By the way, join my squad. It's called Sid's squad. Hello. Profound thing to the world. Hello. Drink water. Send. There. Now everyone knows that they have to drink water, because water's good for you. Right. Did that. Very unlike. I think that's it. Really, I can use my second pet, so I might make that my midnight kitty because I love that. Because I'm always worried that like. But kitty cat, oh my god, I have too many pets to choose from. There we go. Oh my god, I made two beautiful pets. Anyways, I guess that's all for the Animal Jam video. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.